Hi viewers. You are watching Millennium Academy Accounting Hub. The key points of this lecture include owner investment impact on financial statements, dividend declared but not yet paid, how to adjust unused office supplies, adjust expired prepaid insurance, accrued utilities expense, accrued interest on bank loan, estimated warranty expense, inventory write-down due to obsolescence. Let's start. If the owner invests $10,000 cash, the changes are: impact on balance sheet. Assets cash increased by $10,000. Owner's equity capital increased by $10,000. Impact on income statement. Owner investments are not revenue and do not affect profit or loss. Impact on statement of cash flows. Cash flow from financing activities increased by $10,000. Suppose $1,000 dividend declared by Board of Directors. The journal entry will be: retained earnings debit $1,000. Dividends reduce the company's accumulated profits. Dividends payable credit $1,000. The company now owes shareholders, creating a liability. Adjust for $500 of unused office supplies at year-end. Adjusting journal entry will be: debit office supplies $500. Credit office supplies expense $500. At the beginning of the year, you likely recorded the full purchase of office supplies as an expense, for example debit office supplies expense account. Credit cash account. At year-end, since $500 worth of supplies remain unused, you need to reduce the expense, and recognize the remaining supplies as an asset. Impact on financial statements. On balance sheet. Assets office supplies increased by $500. On income statement, office supplies expense decreased by $500. To record 1 month of expired prepaid insurance for $250. The adjusting entry will be: insurance expense debit $250. Prepaid insurance credit $250. Insurance expense increases because 1 month of insurance coverage has been used up. Prepaid insurance decreases to reflect the portion of the prepaid asset that has now expired. Impact on the financial statements. On income statement, insurance expense increases by $250. This reduces net income by $250. On balance sheet, asset prepaid insurance decreases by $250. The prepaid insurance account is reduced as the coverage expires. Adjust for $150 of accrued utilities expense. Adjusting journal entry will be: utilities expense account debit $150. Accrued utilities payable account credit $150. Utilities expense recognizes the expense in the current accounting period, under the accrual basis of accounting, even though the bill has not yet been received or paid. Accrued utilities payable records the liability, reflecting that the company owes $150 for utilities consumed but not yet billed. Impact on financial statements. On income statement, utilities expense increases by $150, reducing net income. On balance sheet, accrued utilities payable, a liability, increases by $150. How to record $700 accrued interest on a bank loan, and its impact on financial statements. Journal entry will be: interest expense account debit $700. This recognizes the expense incurred during the period. Interest payable account credit $700. This records the liability for the interest that has been incurred but not yet paid. Impact on financial statements. On income statement, interest expense increases reduces the net income for the period. On balance sheet, liabilities accrued interest payable increases. How to record $300 estimated warranty expenses and its impacts on financial statements. The journal entry will be: warranty expense debit $300. Estimated warranty liability account credit $300. Impact on the financial statements. On income statement, warranty expense increases by $300, reducing net income by $300. On balance sheet, estimated warranty liability increases, this liability account on the balance sheet. To record inventory write-down, due to obsolescence by $1,000. The journal entry will be: loss on inventory write-down account debit $1,000. Loss on inventory write-down and expense account, to recognize the loss due to obsolescence. Inventory account credit $1,000. The inventory account is an asset account, and it decreases due to obsolescence. Impact on financial statements. On income statement, expense increases by $1,000, and net income decreases by $1,000. On balance sheet, inventory asset account decreases by $1,000, retained earnings also decreases.
If you like a video, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for regular updates.